Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AM Unboxing. This is your host Ari. So today we have a great item with us to unbox. So today we are going to unbox the headphone from Sony. So this is the WH-XB700 Bluetooth headphone from Sony. So this has a certain interesting feature we will going to reveal today. So let's unbox. Hello दोस्तों, so this is the box pack of the headphone. So Sony branding is given over here. The model name WH-XB700. So WH stands for wireless headphone, XB stands for extra bass, and 700 is the model name. We get 1 year warranty. Extra bass is written over here. This is the logo of the headphone. So here is an interesting thing, actually three things. So we get 360-degree audio experience in this headphone. We get Google Assistant. We get Alexa, built-in Alexa support. The most awaited feature or most amazing feature of this headphone is it has 30 hours of battery life. Yes, you heard it right. So this headphone has 30 hours of battery life. Let's see so this is again extra bass is written over here. Let's see the back side. So this back side has quite amazing features given over here. So as you can see, let me zoom in. Okay, so it is saying overwhelming deep bass, clear vocal sound. Again, it's saying hands-free calling with HD voice. And the most amazing feature again is if you give 10-minute charge, it will give you 90 minutes of playback time. Maximum battery life of 30 hours as it says. It has voice assistant which supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Then we have USB Type-C cable which will help us for charging. We have the 3.5 mm audio wire also, which can be used instead of Bluetooth if we want. This side we have got the Headphone Connect application with which we can configure the audio experience of this headset. Now it has another interesting feature which called the DSE audio engine. So it will give us a great variety of sound experience while we will be doing gaming or in watching movies. It has NFC as well, though it is not used widely in recent days. This side we have got few information. So the MRP of this headphone is written over here is 9999, but we can get this in the price of 8999 approx, I guess. So let's open the box and let's find what is there. I have the knife with me, so we will cut. Gently give a cut. Okay. Ow. So let's open it. To throw it. So we will open this from this side. And let's see what's inside the box. Okay. So box under another box. let's keep this aside and we will open this. So I have to find out a way. Okay, we can open this from here. Oh my god, look at this gorgeous beauty. So this is the headphone, the actual headphone XB700. Here, good quality packing. So let's see. So this is the actual headphone. Nice headphone. So it has good memory foam cuff, which will help us to wear this headphone for maximum hours. Good quality padding as well here. So this will help us in our keeping this headphone rested in the head. So let's keep this headphone aside for a moment. And let's see what else we get. Okay. So as I was mentioning, it has these cables. Let's open it further. Okay, so we get some documents. This one. So this is the instruction manual for connecting Google Assistant. This is the free trial for 360-degree audio experience. I guess this is for connecting the headphone, the whole user manual. This is another document, so you can read it if you want. So these 3, 4, what else we get? Nothing. Let's keep it aside. Here we get two things. First one is the Type-C charger. This is the 3.5 mm audio cable. We can use it as wired headphone as well. So let's talk about the headphone and keep all the stuff aside for a moment. So as you can see, its build quality is premium. It's a premium kind of headphone, so we can adjust the height, length of this headphone, which will fit to any kind of head. This side we have the mic, we have the 3.5 mm slot, we have the charging slot here, we have the power on off button here, we have the custom button here which will help us to set the Google Assistant or Alexa. Let's come this side. This side we have the volume up and down button, nothing else. So this headphone has 30 mm audio drive. So sound quality must be amazing. It has memory foam. You can bend this headphone in a good amount of level. It looks very premium quality headphone. The padding, good quality padding is given here. The Sony branding is written over here in this side as well. So let's connect it to the phone via Bluetooth and we will see the audio experience. Okay, so to connect the headphone, you need to press the power button for 3 to 4 seconds and this LED light will blink up, which means that it's ready to pair. So we have the tab over here, so you can see MDR XB650BT is written over here. So we need to tap Okay, so as you can see, we are able to connect the headphone. So it was LE WH-XB750. So let's see what is there in the Sony Connect Headphone Connect app. So we will open the Headphone Connect app. So this is the overall UI, starting UI of the Connect app. We need to select the region from United Kingdom to India. So let's select the region first. So it's India. Now we need to accept it. Okay, now so we need to select the license agreement. So we need to click a check. Now we need to go to start. So here it says next. So we will click next. We will click on agree to proceed. We have to wait for a few moments. So it has, as you can see, it has detected WH-XB700. So we will select it and click on OK. Now we need to click on next. So it's the 360-degree reality audio. We need to click on next. Again next. We need to click on start setup. We will do it later. Okay, now this is the home screen we have got. So here it says go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard we can get. So okay, close, more info, okay, later. So we can set up the sound from here. System, we can get the system settings. So with the Audio Connect app, we can customize the EQ settings and all other settings of this headphone from there only. Now we have to test this headphone and let's see how we can get, how much the output, what is the audio output we are getting from this headphone. Okay guys, so our headphone is ready to use. I have paired it with my phone, and as you can see, the build quality is awesome. So let's wear it. So I have weared the headphone. So you can see this headphone, it's totally covered my ears, and this headphone supports noise cancellation. So I'm unable to hear anything what's going on outside of this place. So now let's play a song. As you know that this headphone supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant both. So I'm asking Alexa to play a song. So what I have to do is I have to just tap this switch, play On My Way. Pause. So this headphone fits quite good in my ears and it's very comfortable. So what I forgot to tell you guys is that the Sony XB700 supports the 360-degree reality audio, which means that you will feel the song 360-degree wide. So in the package I have got a coupon code with which I got a trial for 30 days of the 360-degree reality audio, which has been configured to my phone. So you can configure it when you purchase this headphone. So this headphone fits in my neck easily, and this headphone doesn't weight too much. most probably 200-300 grams. So build quality is nice. So I will give the product description, the Best Buy link in my product description. You can buy it from Amazon, and after using for 2-3 hours it feels amazing, it feels good, and build and finishing is good. The most amazing thing I like about this headphone is this ear cups. So while if you are gaming, if you are into gaming, hardcore gaming, or if you are in listening to music or watching movies, so this headphone will help you very much. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. So if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.